If you want to restore or enhance your old image, I will show you two websites you can use. Okay, so first of all, this one is Vance AI. You can use this one, and another one is Pixelpin. So let's start with this one. You can download the Windows software for this. So just click here that start now button. So you will see this interface. Just upload your image. So I'm going to upload my image. So you can see this is the quality, and now I want to restore. Just click here. It's not upscale. I am not going to upscale. I am just going to restore it. Just click restore, then process. Then it will be processing and it will take like some time. Then you will see the magic. See how it restored. You can see the magic. So this is how you can restore it. Also you can save this. There will be no watermark. Then next go to this website, and here you will see other tools also, but today we will talk about the restore photos. Just click here from AI tools. Then here upload your image. Then I'm going to do that image again, and you can select the ratio here. Just this is a ratio is okay for me. Just click process. Just you can see how good is this. Just you can compare from here. I think it will be helpful for you, and you can directly download from here. And HD image downloading requires pro version, but this one is also download original. Just click here and you can see this is the output. So the quality is good. Still we don't need any pro version. So I hope this video will help you to restore your old image or enhance your image. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks.